Testing, 1, 2. All right, everybody. About to do the open boxing of the MYC Sculptures Ahsoka Tano quarter scale statue. I just received it from the post office, the United States Postal Service delivered it just about 10 minutes ago. And I am going to open this up and do a quick review of this item. MYC has been around a while and has really come a long way with their statue building. Amazing artistic quality coming from them. Comes in a brown box, obviously, here, shipping box. Little ding on the side here. I don't know if you can see that. Postal Service, of course, ignoring the fragile requests as usual. Open the box. MYC's got a nice white box here. Let's see what it looks like when I take it out of here. All right. Got a nice custom printed Ahsoka Tano number 6 of 40 for collectors from collectors. That's their motto. Nice box. Let's see. Really good quality box, actually. Thick, durable. Nice, closed nice here. You can open this up. See what we got inside. Oh, you open it up. You get a limited edition Ahsoka Tano print for collectors, limited edition of 40 worldwide. Very nice edition. All right, has artist signature here, artist proof. Gonna go ahead and put this back. Very nice touch. Quality again of this MYC is really improved from when they first began. Amazing now. Okay, let me take this out. See if I can grab it. No. Open it up. All right. It has tape, label tape, MYC label all the way around. Just very similar to Sideshow and Hot Toys. Very similar to the way that they package theirs. All right, put this box aside. Lay this back down. I'm assuming this is the top, the way the tape is labeled, with it up this way. What I am noticing, styrofoam's a little bit flimsy, but it did the job to get it here. So I'm going to take this tape, open this up here. Open this up all the way around. All right. Looking good. And one more side. Take this off slowly. All right. That should do it. Yeah. All right. I'm going to open this up. Make sure. All right. Well, that looks correct. So what you see here, you have the Ahsoka Tano, I think. I'm not too sure if it's okay to open it this way or if she should have been laying down on this side. but nonetheless, it looks solid. Everything is packed, wrapped, protected with tape. The lightsabers are taped down. These don't illuminate, so it's probably just epoxy, some type of epoxy, or resin rather. See, but Ahsoka's sealed up. Stand is sealed up with plastic. Very, very, again, very similar to Hot Toys and Sideshow. So let me go ahead and put this back here. Let me start with the base. All right, let's move this out of the way here. Here's the base, wrapped up. Open this up. All right, look at the quality of this base. Nicely painted, heavy, very solid. Has the Ahsoka Tano printed on the bottom with the number 6 of 40 with the artist signature. This is actually a lot. Honestly, guys, this is a lot better quality. Solid base. A lot better quality than I expected. Because it's not the. I figured, hey, this is not Sideshow, but my goodness, this is solid. That's great. All right, pull out this piece here that I'm assuming goes in this spot. If you can see that, this is a nice quality here. It fits right in there. There's a peg hole here where I'm assuming Ahsoka's boot will stand here. All right, let's go ahead and get that part out. Here, she's solid, one piece. Again, she's wrapped in plastic as well. All right, let's go ahead and take her out. All right, little scuff here on her breastplate. I don't know if you can see. It's really hard to see, I think here. Just a tad little scuffed here, maybe from the ship shaking around in travel. But solid structure. She's solid. Again, all the little styrofoam pieces coming off. You can see the boots. Let me go ahead and put her in here. I'm assuming she goes just like that. She fits in nicely, nice and balanced. Looks good. Little loose. Again, I'm assuming I'm putting that in correctly. All right. It's there. Take out one of the arms with the saber. Got the tape on it from the box. Okay, we'll go ahead and take that out. What arm is this? I think this is this left arm, perhaps. See how that goes in here. Got a magnet. Went in easy. Stays in really well. Really nice. Really nice how that fit in there. Let me open this up a little more. All right, let me scoot this back just a tad. All right. All right. Actually, taking out the right arm. Again, wrapped well. This one. The sabers. I guess we could take these sabers out, or maybe not. Maybe that one jarred loose from the travels. The other one is solid. It's stuck in there. This one actually can be removed. Probably because the glue might have come loose there. That one goes right in here. So you have that. All right. All right, let me. Looks pretty good. Then you got this other, her side pieces, her shields, her little defensive. I don't know if they're magnetized. Cool. This one goes right like that in the front. Assuming that goes there. We got a couple more. Here maybe. That's a strong magnet. That ain't going anywhere. Yeah, that one fits. That one fits there. I gotta verify that's where they go. Maybe that one's in front. There's another one. This is the side. I think this goes to this side here. Like that. Very strong magnets. And then we have this piece that's going to go along the back here. Some glue stuck to it here. This is going to just connect right there. All right, that's all the pieces to it. It's got a lot of the styrofoam that chipped off the box, and of course the static is having it stick. This statue. All right, that's the statue. Again, I'm not too worried. If it's in a stable place, it ain't gonna fall over. She's on there pretty good, but she does wobble just a little bit. Maybe they could put an additional hole on this one, on the other leg as well, to make it more sturdy. It looks great here. Let's take a closer look. All right. What we got here? Again, guys, this is not a sideshow piece, and coming from a small operation like MYC, this is really impressive work. Paint's great, the sculpt is great, the stand is solid. Couple of, again, a little flaw, little scuff here on the breastplate. If you bought one, you might see it, you might not. Don't know if this is on the right side, could be. No label on the back to tell you where, but it fits, and it could go on the other side too. Have to probably reverse it. The way it's stuck here, it might be reversed. Let me. And these things are on good. Strong magnets they used. Let me try this guy over here. Nope, I don't think that's right. I think I had it right the first time. Yep, that's right. This guy's in the right one. All right. Nope, that's it. All right. All right, you got the everything looks good. Just there's some little scuffs during travel is what this looks like here. Maybe just a little modification to the styrofoam packing. Maybe put a little bit of the other kind of little styrofoam wrapping on it. Like Sideshow does have a little styrofoam wrapping around these guys. And this paper may have worked better to cover so that she doesn't rub on the styrofoam. But man, that's it. If there's anything, there's really no complaints here. I'm not concerned about those scuffs. MYC is growing, man. They're growing fast. They got such a good quality. They got a good team over there. What more can I say? It's up and coming. The more they work, the better they get. And I'm anticipating more good stuff coming out from them in no time. I know they're doing Cad Bane coming out. I know they're doing Heck, I don't know if I've ever seen Bosk. I think I might have seen Bosk, but they're doing Jason, or not Jason. What's that guy's name? The other guy, Michael Myers. But they have a whole bright, really bright future ahead of them over at MYC. So, guys, that's it. Just a very quick opening of Ahsoka Tano. I'm pleased. I'm very pleased with this. They took it on. No other company wanted to take this on for whatever reason, but MYC did it. And I gotta say, I'm extremely impressed. This quality of this statue is, it's unbelievable. It's really, really great work. So my kudos to those over at MYC. Keep up the good work, and really look forward to seeing more of your statues. Outstanding. All right, this is Ben. See y'all later.